In contrast to what most people think, the Pepe price forecast for 2023 is 0.00001865 to 0.0000289001. Pepe most of the time, Pepe's price could soon hit 0.00005, which is a very bad sign. In this Pepe cost estimate 2023-2024 to 2030, the price of Pepe is expected to be 0.000848. We will really break down the prices of Pepe by using specific broker-friendly technical analysis points, and we will predict the future of the digital currency in a way that goes against what most people think. In every real way, a deflationary memo coin sent on Ethereum is Pepe, or so they thought. Pepe is a unique addition to the image coin market because he builds on the tradition of Pepe the Frog, who has a long and sometimes shady past. Pepe is eating parts in every way that counts. Despite what most people think, it's clear that it's trying to keep up with the lack in the market. Pepe is an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum blockchain that is usually gotten by the verification of stake POS agreement system in a very important way. Decentralized validators stake 32F to handle trades and protect the business in a very important way. Pepe price prediction for 2023. Pepe is ranked 88th on CoinMarketCap in terms of its market value. In a very important way, an overview of what the Pepe price is likely to be in 2023 is given below with a daily time framed. In the picture above, Pepe made a uniform triangle pattern. The form of the symmetric triangle is really made up of two trend lines that meet. In this case, it's amazing that the triangle's very top trend line associates, the highs, which are kind of important, are usually below the lower trend line of the triangle. At the time of the study, the low price of Pepe was 0.00001284. If the pattern continues, the price of Pepe could reach 0.0000141009, 0.0000153661, and 0.0000185119, or so they thought. If the pattern changes, the price of Pepe could fall to 0.0000122251 and a very big way. Pepe's amount of opposition and support. The chart below shows how much opposition and support Pepe might face in 2023. Pepe price prediction for 2023, Reval Mom, and RSI, the specialty examination pointers in every way, like kind of relative volume Reval moving pretty normal Mama and kind of relative strength record. Pepe's RSI is sort of shown in the picture below. Pepe price prediction 2023 AdSRV. In the picture below, we break down the strength and volatility of Pepe using the following technical analysis tools, such as the normal directional file ADS and the most of the time relative instability file RV. From the above diagram, we can see that the price movement of Pepe is usually the same as that of BTC and F, which is kind of important because it shows when the price of BTC and F goes up or down. Contrary to what most people think, the price of Pepe also goes up or down on its own. Pepe price prediction for 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030. Using the mostly already mentioned specialized examination marks and pattern designs, we can usually predict the price of Pepe between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030. In the end, if Pepe becomes a very smart investment in 2023 this year, wouldn't that be good for digital money in a really big way? Pepe's price prediction for 2023 is 0.00028901 and a buy in a big way. If negative opinion is set off, the negative Pepe price prediction for 2023 is 0.00008438, which is really important. If market energy and investors' confidence rises, Pepe could hit 0.00005, which is really big. Also, with future updates and changes in the Pepe environment, Pepe's price could go even higher. Fact 1. Pepe is a deflationary picture coin sent out on Ethereum. This is very important. Pepe basically makes an excellent contribution to the movie in every way that counts. Mark it by building on the history of Pepe the Frog, a character with a long and shady past, in a kind of important way that goes against what most people think, where might you at any point fundamentally purchase Pepe Pepe in an exceptionally significant way. Merchants can exchange Pepe Pepe on the accompanying cryptographic money trades genuinely like Binance Qcoin Ox Huobi and Bibit3, showing that in the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Pepe might tumble to the help of 0.0000012251. Which explicitly is genuinely critical. Will Pepe Pepe record another ADH soon in an unobtrusive way with the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Pepe stage? Pepe Pepe certainly has a sort of high chance of arriving at its ADH soon, or so they certainly thought, for essentially as an opposed to prevalent thinking what generally is the ongoing all-time high AFF of Pepe Pepe in a really significant way. Pepe Pepe hit its ongoing all-time especially high F of 0.00004354 on May 5, 2023 in a sort of significant way. What in a real sense is the particularly the least cost of Pepe Pepe, which is very critical as per can market cap Pepe in a real sense hit its untouched most certainly low ATL of 0.00002764 on April 17, 2023 in a quite huge way. 6, which generally is genuinely critical. Will Pepe Pepe especially hit 0.00005 or so they thought, on the off chance that Pepe Pepe becomes one of the very dynamic digital forms of money that significantly sort of keep a bullish pattern it can energize to sort
payment proposals, real estate deals, and Arthur Hayes's thoughts on the Bitcoin price. Even though there were a lot of interesting things happening in the crypto world on Friday, Bitcoin's price went down a bit, selling at $26,126, a drop of over 1%. In a surprising move, a U.S. presidential candidate has said that he wants to pay his workers with Bitcoin. This adds to the mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. The Cayman Islands, on the other hand, are about to start a real estate change by selling homes backed by Bitcoin, which will usher in a new era for buying and selling homes. As these changes happen, Arthur Hayes didn't hold back when he said Bitcoin is the best. U.S. presidential candidate wants to pay workers with Bitcoin. Francis Suarez, the mayor of Miami and a presidential candidate, wants to pay himself with Bitcoin if he wins the presidency. He takes cryptocurrency as part of his pay as mayor, and in a recent interview, Suarez praised the strength of cryptocurrencies in the face of flaws in the traditional financial system and political uncertainty. He is determined to make Miami an even bigger center for crypto and a supporter of technological progress, easy access to money, and fair sharing of wealth. This choice is in line with the